what's going on? How you guys doing today? Boating season is officially back, and it really is back.
Yeah.
It's been a hectic morning, so to say the least, but let's go ahead and get into it. Ray, we got your package shipped out. We got to the UPS store a little too early, so we had to go to a different UPS store. Also, we're gonna give the towel shout outs for the week. Got Michael, Paul, Anthony, and Ray. Thank you guys so much.
Awesome. Appreciate you guys.
For making those towel orders. We are getting them out as soon as possible. So we went to our home ramp, our favorite ramp, and what happened there?
It was a beep show. It was completely packed. All the parking spots were gone. There was a line of boats waiting to put in.
Yeah.
People everywhere. It was a crazy scene.
Super.
It's never like that there. It's like quiet.
We went to Fort De Soto. We did put in Fort De Soto using our method, make that first left, and then at the exit part, I use that little driveway, the exit part, to actually back in. I had to park in the overflow lot.
It's so busy.
All so busy, so busy today. It's a beautiful day. What's the weather and all that stuff?
90s. It's going to get up into the 90s. 0.5 on the waves and like 7 knots max today.
Awesome. And also, I want to give a shout out to Kiwi Adventures.
Oh yeah.
He hooked us up with that West Marine Pro account. So we made an order. We had someone comment before talking about the Fortress anchor. It's a 4-pound one. Now, I didn't go with the Fortress one. I went with the Lumar. It's 4 pounds, but it's like half the price. So later on, Kim has not seen this anchor yet. She's not even touched it. So I want her to
first impressions.
Yeah, get your first.
He wouldn't let me see it when he brought it home.
I'm like, no, you can't see it.
You're gonna love this.
It's a game changer. So she's gonna. So later on in the video, we're gonna go ahead and try that out.
Cool.
So that's gonna be fun. So where are we going today?
Today we're gonna go to Banana Hammock. We call it Banana Hammock. If you're not informed, it's because it is a portion of the beach that is so far away from parking. It's such a long hike that people who like to wear very skimpy bathing suits go there. And sometimes there's naked people there, let's be honest.
Yeah, nice and quiet. So we call that Banana Hammock, and we're going to bring you guys there today. We're going to be cooking up the cheesesteaks.
Philly cheesesteaks!
Yep, cooking up the cheesesteaks. We got all that. We got the onions, the peppers. We got the au jus. So hopefully this works out, and we'll bring you along with us.
Yay!
Yay! Peace.
I can see it. If you take your glasses off, you can see it. Look.
Oh yeah, there we go. You can see the little thing. How do I really know if it's recording though? I could, before you could see it was like kind of like lit up and stuff. Oh, it's down. There's a number. All right, it's moving there. Cool. We're just working with the camera here. Yeah.
So you are recording?
Yeah, we're recording. All right.
Testing.
Testing. I got my mic tested. We're
getting used to this new camera here, people.
Getting used to it. Cool. We just finished up my mimosa hour. That was good. We're right there on the bow. Let me show you guys real quick. There we go. On the bow of the boat here over at Banana Hammock. Water is still super clear.
Yeah, it is.
So now,
what are we doing now?
I want you to try that anchor.
Oh, you want me to try the anchor?
Yeah.
You want to talk about towels first, or no?
What do you want to talk about first?
Yeah, let me. Let's do a little towel promos.
Okay, right,
if you guys don't know, we have our own towel company, Island Time Towels, and they're so wonderful. I do have a few samples here because we're trying to decide what to introduce next. Pink and turquoise, which are my favorite colors. So this one I do like. We have 2 that we're looking at bringing on, which I love. Again, love turquoise. Yep. So it's between this one, adding to the collection, or purple. This one's fun. It's kind of like Aztec, I would call it. I love this. So maybe if y'all want to let us know A or B
Yeah, let us know what you think.
for the next addition to the website. But yeah, the towels are doing good. We're having fun with it.
Yep.
We love sending them out to you guys, and yeah, that's
it's
that.
fun.
So that's the towels.
All right, so next up in this segment is
This segment. Oh yeah, we got a new anchor. Jason wants me to check it out. I
Yeah.
haven't seen it yet.
Yeah. So let's try it out. All right. So, no, seriously. So
I haven't seen it yet.
we need to get a line for it. We don't have one. We have the chain, and then we've got the other line. It's corroded on there. You know, so I'm gonna probably just get another guy on there. So we have not officially used this yet.
Wow. Lumar. It's very light.
That's 4 pounds aluminum. I mean, seriously, how light is that?
It's very light. It's like I could throw it like a softball.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's wow, okay.
Thank you, Kiwi. We appreciate you.
Oh yeah, Kiwi Adventures. They got you like a discount or
Yeah,
what
got me
happened with
the
that?
West Marine Pro account.
Cool.
So, and then he also hooked Jackson up with one as well.
Oh nice.
So, because he's already used it. He has to put some stuff down
nice.
there for his
cool.
dinghy. So, you know, on some of that stuff, yeah, if we can save some money, we're gonna save some money. So make sure you guys go
follow Kiwi.
I'll leave a
They're
link in
fun.
the description. Go follow his channel and reach out to him and tell him that Kim and Jason sent you and you want that Pro Marine discount. Cool. All right.
Good
So,
stuff.
so we'll be trying that out.
All right, we'll try it next time.
Yeah,
We just gotta
I gotta get the line. And all that. All right, that's enough yapping. We're gonna chill and then we'll start cooking up here in a bit. Peace. Yeah, got our mics on. All right, so we're on the other side of Fort De Soto. Skyway's over there.
It's not better.
I don't see how that is, but
It's not better.
It should be
Look
better.
at the boat.
It's not better, so we got the boat up there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grill up on shore. I think that's gonna make the most sense. It's a little bumpy, so we're just gonna grill up on shore there. The grill and all that good stuff.
Got it?
Yeah, I think
Got a
so.
little table right here.
Yeah. All right, go ahead and.
You want me to go first?
Yeah,
Here's a napkin for you.
go first.
All right, let's try this. This is a beach Philly cheesesteak.
No, it's not a beach. It's a St. Pete
It's a
cheesesteak.
St. Pete beach cheesesteak. And I'm gonna do a little dippy.
Yeah, a little dippy. Gotta get that dippy. How is it?
Okay. It's good. I wish this was hotter, but it's good.
What?
Oh, what happened?
I don't know what's going on. All right,
How'd that get over there?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, that needs to be hotter, but
Let me try mine.
it's good. I put a lot of meat in yours.
That's hot. That's good. All right, we're gonna eat these because that's good. I can't be holding on the camera
Yeah.
and eating all this, so we're gonna eat these and talk to you guys in a bit.